How's life, YouTube? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to safely download all emojis and stickers from any Discord server. First, to get your token, I'll show you a relatively simple way to grab it without any scripts or pasting anything into the console. Now, open and log into Discord in your browser. Open Developer Tools with Ctrl-Shift-I or Option-Command-I on Mac and open the Network tab within it. Next, open a different text channel than the one you already had open to force it to fetch the messages. In the DevTools, look for the messages limit equals 50 request. You can filter fetch/xhr or search for it. Once you've found it, click on the request. Under the Headers section, scroll to Request Headers, then Authorization. The value of that header will be your token. Copy it and go to the Discord emoji downloader website, link in the description below, and paste your token. Select a server and specific emojis if needed, and submit. Download and extract the resulting zip file. The emojis and stickers will be in separate folders in their original file formats and resolution. And that's it. If this worked for you, be sure to like and sub.